Instead of simply viewing technology as a skill set that students need to learn, it can be used to transform curricula to provide students with learning that is at once more relevant and customized to their unique learning styles. Now, technology and computer science is not something you can learn and be good at by reading and writing about it. This needs to be practiced. Unfortunately, many of us in education think if we teach the theory, the students should be fine. That's not going to work because theory alone is not important. It is what we can do, how we can apply the things that we've learned that technology can do for us. Only if we give the relevant practice in the different skills will our students actually benefit through this new age education. Technology should transform curricula, should change the way we teach, should change the way we test students, should change the way we examine students. New ways have to be brought about, and with technology, this can be easily done. The key is, are we aware of how we can use this technology in the classroom so that students get the applications of what they are learning and not just a regurgitation of what they have already learned. Students, through technology, can learn in their own unique styles. Students learn differently. One size fits all has not worked, is not going to work, and it is technology that really helps us tailor what we teach to the individual needs and patterns of the student. With technology, this becomes way simpler, and a lot of technological material in education is already available. Again, we teachers need to surf and sift through the materials we come across, use the materials we need, adapt some of the materials that we can adapt to our cultural and traditional settings, and then give the students the opportunities to use those tools in meaningful ways. A 2008 article in Education Week focused on effective teaching in the United States by examining different learning styles and explaining that customized learning approaches are needed to help students succeed. This study in 2008 done in the US was trying to see the different learning styles of students and how they learn. Of course, we've been aware for many, many years that students learn differently. Every child has his or her own way of learning. Unfortunately, we teach one way, we test one way, we examine one way, and students fall out because that one way doesn't match, is not congruent with the way the student is supposed to be learning. And so, if we want to customize students' learning, we will have to take massive help from technology. As I said earlier, lots of material is available. There are wonderful simulations, games, puzzles, activities, discussion forums, the blackboards, and lots of other forums that our students should be using in collaboration with students their age from around the world. If we can hook students up with students their age in other countries and help them learn together, there is a whole massive program going around called Skype in the Classroom, where children from other parts of the world are asking, this is what we are studying currently. If your classroom is studying the same thing at this level, we'd like to hook up with you on Skype and learn together. Those are opportunities that teachers should be looking for. Grab, because opportunity is not going to come all the time, and make good use of that opportunity for our students. As the article highlights, all students learn differently. Most of us know this intuitively. We learn best through different methods with different styles. Some learn better through visual means, others need to talk it through, write it down, play it out, and so on. So, the different styles, teaching and learning, have to be amalgamated, brought together, put together, so that all students in a classroom will learn. The visual learner needs to see things happen. The auditory learner needs to hear things happen. The kinesthetic learner needs to write things down. And the tactile learner needs to move. So how do we provide all these opportunities in one classroom, in one lesson at the same time? Technology is the answer. All these different modes of learning are available for multiple topics in multiple subject areas over multiple grade levels. Please surf the net, sift what you find, and use what is appropriate in your classrooms.